Welcome back. You're watching us here on Bazaar Morning Call. The breaking news this morning has been the news of the last few days. The block deal of ITC has been executed. As our ticker team tells us, the deal, the entire 3.5% stake by BAT has been sold in the block window itself, a near $3 billion deal that has taken place. The stock has been an underperformer from the start of this year, down about 12.5%, and its valuation premium vis-a-vis other tobacco players had also narrowed because of this underperformance, this supply overhang which was there itself. And this coincides with a lot of brokerage upgrades coming in as well. So this morning we've had 3 upgrades. HSBC has upgraded ITC to buy. They have a target price of 480 rupees per share. CLSA has upgraded. Their target price is close to around 468 rupees per share as well. All of them saying essentially the same thing, that this correction offers an attractive multiple in a volatile market because the supply overhang is now done with. BAT stake, which was a little over 29%, now comes down to a little over 25%, 25.5%. And this leaves them with a 180-day window to not sell further as well. And in any case, the question is, will they sell any more than they have sold already? Because they had told the analysts that, they will not sell, or they would like to keep their stake in ITC at around that 25% mark itself. The reason why everyone is bullish on ITC after this underperformance is one, moderate cigarette tax environment. Because over the last 3 years or so, the cigarette taxes have not grown exponentially or in a way that would hurt the legal cigarette industry, and as a result of which the legal industry, tobacco industry, has gained market share from the illegal players as well. And secondly, for ITC itself, the non-cigarette businesses have scaled up too. So we've seen the FMCG business be among the largest revenue contributors for the company, and the margins out there are improving as well. So will this stake sale overhang provide an entry opportunity? Brokerages believe so. Let's see where they go.
How are the valuations looking now after the kind of underperformance that we've seen in ITC over the last 6 months?
So at the start of the year, the ITC stock was trading at around 26, 27 times, as against, say, something like a Godfrey Phillips, which was around 11 to 12 times, and VST Industries, which was around 13 times. Now, this year so far, ITC is down 12.5%, Godfrey Phillips is up 66%, and VST Industries is up around 11%. So the valuation gap has narrowed. ITC now trades at 21 times one-year forward earnings. VST Industries is close to 16 times, and Godfrey is around 19 times. So that valuation discount, or rather premium, has narrowed. That makes it a lot more attractive from 26 times as against 21 times because of this underperformance, which is largely on account of the supply overhang itself.
Okay, all right. Mangalam, just one more quick word. That open interest had gone up to around 11 crore. Since it's happened in the block window, and yesterday there were 35 lakh shares that got added on the short side. They're going to be sprinting for cover in today's trading session. The hope was that for those short sellers or those that shorted the stock was that it will happen in normal duration and you'll get a discount, and that's how you'll be able to cover your position. Now it's going to be dangerous.
It's going to be dangerous, and what will also be interesting is that there was a lot of option activity taking place at the 430 call and the 450 call. And that's telling you that some people were perhaps positioning themselves for something like this to happen as well. Even if that does not happen, it will be very interesting to see whether the stock does go past that 430 mark in today's trading session as well. And even if that happens, 30 rupees on a 400 rupee stock is nearly 7 to 8%, which on the weight of ITC could actually power Nifty ahead.
Okay, well, most brokerages and the market expecting the stock to move up today as the supply overhang is out of the way. And of course, the valuations are quite attractive compared to what we've seen earlier. So let's do